Hello, students. We've had different strums for different songs. We've had strums in 3/4, for Oh My Darling, it's down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And we've had strums that are simply shuffles. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. But come a little bit closer is the island or calypso strum. And if you notice, a suggested strum at the top is down on the first beat, and then down up on the second and of two. Then there's a rest, that's beat 3, and then and up, it's up, down, up, up, down, up. So in this case, let me make myself, so it's down, down, up, up, down, very slowly. Down, down, up, there's a rest, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So it's basically 2 downs, 2 ups, and then a down, up, down. So it's, or actually it's down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. And then it starts over. The next down is the next phrase, next measure. So it's down, down, up, up, down, up, down. Let's take a look at the piece, and you'll see what I'm talking about. And it's in a little cafe, just the other. So it's, also those are pickup notes, like 1, 2, 3. In a little cafe, just the other side of the border. She was sitting there giving me looks that made my mouth water. Well, I started walking away. She belonged to the Batman Jose. And I knew I should leave, but I heard her say. So as I'm playing this, I'm not really thinking about, the direction of this strum, because I have it memorized, and once I get into it, but I did concentrate of the down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, down. So again, slowly, down, down, up, slight pause, it's an 8th note, up, down, 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 up, down. Etc. Hopefully that'll help. Now the island strum has given many students pause. It's a wall they go up against, and then all of a sudden they get that aha moment. It's actually the strum for a lot of Eagles songs. The Peaceful Easy Feeling. That's that's a lot of Eagles songs use that. Some Beach Boys songs, different folk songs even have that down, down, up. Oh, Leaving on a Jet Plane by John Denver, as made famous by Peter, Paul, and Mary. That's also that strum, that down, down, up, down, 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 up. One more time, take a look at the what they have written. So yeah, they have down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And it's on C, it's... Once you practice that 50 times, you'll be able to change chords and not even think about what your right hand is doing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, good luck with that.